Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check Cash App transaction history. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin and first open up Cash App. Then, in order to check your Cash App transaction history, just stop at that clock icon. I have nothing here, but if you have had any activity, you will see it here, including transfers and rewards for in white in France. And then you will be able to hit at any transaction to see the details now. You can write down in the comments if you have any questions about the tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Cash App tutorial playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.